Hello, this is a short video of the Hama Mini Tripod I bought. I wanted to do something filming on a tabletop with my compact camera and keep things steady, so I bought this. Build quality is good. It's a bit smaller than I thought, but it's nice and compact and portable. Has flexible legs that can bend in any way you like and set it up on an uneven surface if you need to, or you can also bend them the other directions to fit around other objects. There's a standard 1/4 inch connector socket for your camera. Got it at Amazon, it's cheap, £4.99, free delivery, weighs in around 58 grams. What I'll do, I'll just show you and compare it with a credit card and a ruler so you can see the actual size of the product. You've got your credit card here, so as you can see it is very small. You've got your ruler there, just to look at the exact dimensions and measurements. Okay, so this is just a first impressions video. I'm going to try it out, give it 4 out of 5 stars to begin with. Doesn't seem to be anything wrong with it, a lot steadier than the other tripod I had, and I'll get back to you with a review later.